Hey guys, RTT back here for another video. Guys, today we have another beta update for the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Galaxy Z Flip 4 for running Android 13. So if you are running Android 13, you're in the beta program, we do have a little bit of an update today. So let's go ahead and talk about what is updated, what has changed, what has been fixed. Let's go ahead and break it down. Real fast, guys, I'm sorry that I sound awful right now. My voice is shot, I am sick. But if you'd like to go ahead and join the member program, you can down below. If the little join icon, you will be featured in every single video. So starting off right away, bugs that have been fixed. Secure Wi-Fi app error after reboot. Home icon and navigation bar disappearing. Routine is not running. When changing screen layouts and zoom taskbar, recently used apps display error. When unfolding in landscape mode, a black area of the screen, background screen, occurs. OMNI is changed when setting Pro Video, Mic 360 or BT Mix. Landscape mode, video and audio framing on, tracking on does not work. App icon appears when unfolding. And other minor bug issues. So again, whenever we do have a beta, it is so crucial, if you are using this beta, to report any bugs or issues to Samsung. I know a lot of times people join betas, whether it is on iOS, whether it is on Android, and they just join it and then they complain about the issues like on Twitter or something, and they do not relay this information to Samsung or Apple. If you are going to be using the beta, you gotta relay the information. If you don't, you're in hindsight pretty much not helping at all, right? So you're not stopping this issue from happening, and some glitches, that's bugs, do get through the cracks and actually get to the final release version of these let's call it software. So make sure, again, if you are using one of these issues, make sure, or you're having any issues, make sure you are reporting it to Samsung or Apple, whatever you're using. Obviously, this would be Samsung. Just so you can make sure, you know, we're getting all these issues fixed and figured out. Last year with Android 12 going on the Galaxy Z Fold 3, the biggest issue, of course, was the 120 hertz outside display. It was working, but it wasn't working 120 hertz. So good to see that there's not any like major crazy issues. But again, like I said, guys, if you are going ahead and doing this and downloading this and using this beta, just make sure you are reporting. And again, all these things will be fixed. All these things have been fixed, but there's going to be a slew of other issues and glitches that happen that could literally be directly related to these fixes. A lot of times whenever a company does fix something, whether it is, you know, a software issue or whatever, sometimes it actually breaks something else and make another issue happen. So right now, if you're like, oh, everything's perfect for me, I don't have any issue at all, keep using the device, see if there's any problems moving forward, and make sure you report them. I've already reported like 2 different ones to Samsung myself. So again, like I said, just make sure you're doing your due diligence here so we can have a perfect Android 13 experience for everybody. Guys, if you did enjoy this video, hit the like, comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.